Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert GIF to CapCut. Okay, so here I've already on CapCut and I am adding a photo to my CapCut and I'm going to insert GIF to CapCut. So you can either use GIF as an overlay or you can also use it as at the main track. So in this case, I'm gonna use it as overlay first. Click on add overlay and choose the ones that you want. Okay, so here is the GIF and I'm going to put it at the bottom of my main video or photo, and then here I'm going to click on the overlay and I'm going to see how it looks like. So you can also use splice like this. You can choose or not. I'm going to put it in here, for example, and just like that. Or you can also put it at the main track. I'm going to delete this first. Click on this plus icon and you can put it in here like that. And here is the GIF that you added. So beside pictures and also video, you can also add GIF to CapCut. And here is the other one. Okay, I don't know why the other one can, but this one is GIF like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can insert GIF to CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.